Now, just be cautious. I'm completely covered. Make sure you're doing everything with a mask, full cover mask, right? All right, for our Star Wars little diorama, we're gonna have to cut this. All right, let me show you guys what I'm gonna cut. And the reason I'm gonna cut is to fit in this board, because it's not gonna fit in this board. So we have this marker. It's a water-based marker, right? And we want to fit it in here. And I already marked a couple things where I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna actually cut it from here, cutting all this. Try to cut as much as I can. All this, all that. Then I'm gonna cut here, this part too. All that. Then we're gonna fill in the blanks after too. So I'm gonna cut this and use this great tool that I got. All right, got this little tool. I'm gonna try to see if I could do it with this one, but sometimes it doesn't want to grab on pretty good, but we'll find out. Now, when you're doing stuff like this, make sure you wear a mask. All right, don't just try to do this on your own base, because you do need a mask. This is all toxic stuff, and you don't want anything around it too. So make sure you move all this stuff. I got these just in case too. These are when I run holes through them. So we're not going to use today that one. We're only going to use these right here. We're going to start with this one. Flip this over so we can use it as a base, and you guys can see some of the cuts. All right, so I'm going to move you guys a little bit back. I'm going to go wear my mask and plug this in, and we're going to try to cut this here completely without touching the wood. I'm going to see if I could cut it from here, try to run it here. So that's where my marking's at. Let's go ahead and plug this in right now. Let me grab my mask and set up the safety things first. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to start it up. I'm going to put 9 volts, around 9 volts, right? A little bit of 9 right there, a little bit. So let's drop this down, crank this boy up, and let's test it out first. All right, make sure it cuts. We got our mask and everything, and yep, it's ready. So if it's not cutting down fast enough, so let me go ahead and start the process. This is the dangerous part. Be careful with your feet. So let's see how much it cuts. There it goes. Pull it towards me. It's a little too much, but it's fine. It cut through, but still gotta make sure it comes off. It don't want to come off. All right, let's put this down here. Let's see what. Won't come off. Damn, we gotta do it again. It didn't come off. It's too hot. It was too hot for it. It melted back. Nope, still coming off. Jesus. We're gonna have to use the other one. Let's switch out tools and get the thicker one, because it's too thin. Round 2. This is a thicker one, if you guys could see that. So see if I can cut it, because the little one, it cuts good, but it's just not enough strength. Let me see. This one's not ready yet. I think we're gonna have to turn in more power on this one. Now, just be cautious. I'm completely covered. Make sure you're doing everything with a mask, full cover mask, right? So when you're doing projects like this, these are lethal toxins that you don't want them get them in your lungs. Make sure you protect yourself when you're doing stuff like this.
I should do this outside, to be honest with you, but there's not enough light. I'm in an actual shop right here. All right. Clean this up with a cardboard. There we go. Turn it off. I just got 2 pieces. Let's see if it fits. Because when I fit in here, got some more. How much more? Perfect.
So we're gonna start our projects. We have 2 little projects. We need to glue this together in here. All right. Wow. We need to put this in here. Don't with wood. It doesn't match real good with crazy glue. So I'm gonna have to do this. And to turn it on, I forgot to tell you guys, it's not on buttons here. So we're gonna load it up. Turn it on. Hold the button down. 1, 2, 3. It starts blinking. When it stops blinking, that means it's ready, right? So right now it's gonna heat up. It's ready to go. So let's go ahead and do that. So now all you gotta do is glue it. So let's go ahead and glue it. Push it in. You gotta squeeze it. You run out, you always have some more. How simple it is. Put another one in there. Make sure it goes in there. There it goes. There it goes. So make sure I glue all the edges too. As much as I could fit here. You guys can see I got it glued there. So it's perfectly glued. Alright. So that's one project. It's good. We're gonna let this dry up. Now we're gonna start the next one.